Hey everyone, it is time. That is exactly what Mufasa said. And if you don't know Mufasa, it's Simba's father. On this movie called The Lion King. It is time. So it seems like it is time for us to get started with exercise 5.5. Okay, this is the textbook we're using in case you didn't know, and I'm quite sure everyone has their own copy. Okay, so let's check out the question. So we gotta write a program that displays the following two tables side by side. Okay, and if you're not quite clear at the moment what's going on, you can pause the video and take a look. Once you're done, of course, you're gonna have to get back to my IDE. Okay, I've already went ahead and created exercise 5.5b. Seems like we're only gonna be having one solution for this exercise, right? And I will call that solution exercise 5.5b. Okay, so basically these are my three constants. I've got pounds per kilograms, which is a number. It's self-explanatory. I don't have to say much about that. I also have maximum kilograms and maximum pounds. These numbers here, they actually come from these two values. This is our last number of kilograms we want to convert, and also last number of pounds we want to convert. Okay. This variable here will simply store the from pounds variable. So in this table, it's gonna be our 1, 2, 3. In fact, it's gonna be this column over here. Oops, the pounds column on the right hand side of our table. So it's gonna start with 20, 25, 30, so on and so forth, up to 515. That's the variable there. And the 2 pounds one will actually store the corresponding number of pounds for a given number of the second one is 2 pounds. It will actually store the corresponding number of pounds of a given number of kilograms. So basically it's gonna be a variable to store these values on our second column, 2.2, 6.6, so on and so forth. Okay, likewise for the from kilograms variable, we'll simply store all these numbers here, 1, 3, so on and so forth, up to 199. Okay, and then lastly, the 2 kilograms variable will actually store all these numbers on our last column on the right hand side table. Okay, with that being said, let's jump on to the core of this problem here. Okay, so what is it I want to do? Now that I've created those variables, I want to display the very first line, kilograms, pounds, and then that sign there. Okay, so I'll simply use it. Entirely up to you what is it you want to use, but in my case, I'll simply go for println. You might use printf if you want to. I'll print. Oops, I didn't want that. Here's what I want: println system.out. Oops, why can't I type? Or is it because this is my first recording of the day? Okay, so let's see, what do I want? Kilograms \t, pounds \t, and that thing over there. Okay, backslash C again, and then pounds for the second time, and kilograms for the second time. This right here corresponds to our left table, and this one right here corresponds to our right hand side of the table. Okay, so here's the deal. What I'll simply do, the type of load that I will go for, it is the best choice on this problem we're currently working on. It is a do while loop. Why? Given that you had your variables, you had these 4 variables. What we wanna do, we wanna initiate these two, the 2 kilograms and 2 pounds variable, before we execute the condition of our loop. I'm not sure if you follow me there, but it will probably make more sense as I go on. So what I want to do, I want to check, I want to initiate those 2 variables, and then lastly what I want to check is whether the from pounds variable is less than or equals to maximum pounds variable. And also I want to be sure that my from kilograms variable is less than or equals to my maximum kilograms variable. We'll keep executing whatever is gonna be inside our do while loop as long as this condition holds. However, we want to do it at least once. So what is it we want to do? We want to initiate our 2 kilograms variable. How do we initiate that? So we'll simply go. So we're converting 2 kilograms from pounds. So from pounds variable, what is it that we know? We know that pounds per kilogram, there are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. Meaning in this case, we're gonna have to go point multiplied by that constant we have up here. This is simple math, folks. If we have 1 kilogram, if we have 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram, how many kilograms do we have if we're having n pounds? That's the question. It's simply gonna be n multiplied by pounds per kilogram. So in our case, our n is gonna be stored in the from kilograms variable. So from pounds, or 2 pounds, is equals to from kilograms. So sorry for that, people are yelling as they pass by, so let me pause a little bit. Now that they are gone, let's continue. From kilograms multiplied by divide by pounds per kilogram, because we know that there are 2.2 pounds in 1 kilogram. So now question is what if we've got m kilograms? In order to get the number of pounds, we're simply going to say m divided by pounds per kilograms. We're simply saying how many pounds are there in a given number of kilograms. I hope everyone gets that, okay? So once I'm done executing these two, what I will then do, I'll simply say system.out.print. In these cases, a printf will always be the best choice, because not only is it gonna give us what we want, it will also round off our answer. So what I wanna put first is the from kilograms variable, and I'll follow that by the 2 pounds variable, okay, and then from pounds variable followed by the 2 kilograms variable. Okay, I just thought it would be better if we do it this way. Start by what is it we wanna use in order to replace whatever we'll have inside those codes. Okay, so let's see what is it we will have inside our codes. The very first thing I want is a decimal number corresponding to all these numbers on the first column, corresponding basically to from kilograms. Okay, once I do that, I want to put \t. Perhaps we want 2 of those, but we'll see as we go on what seems to be our best solution. Percentage, what else we want? Let me leave 3 spaces to the left and 1 number after a decimal point. Of course, I know the format specifier. Okay, let me put 2 \t's. At the moment, I'm not quite sure whether that's gonna work as I expected. Okay, now let's go. Percentage, 3 spaces to the left, 2 numbers after a decimal point, and our format specifier. Okay, so \n. I'm hoping I did not mess up. That's 1, 2. Oh, it seems like I did mess up again. What I'll need here is my decimal number, \t. This decimal number here is for my from pounds variable. Let's see, is it a decimal? Of course it is. Let's hit the run button and see what is it we get, but I'm not quite sure we're gonna get something we want because of those \t's, but we will continue anyway. Okay, so from kilograms we increment that by 5. Then from pounds we increment that by, is it 1? Okay, from kilo. Okay. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Hopefully I did not mess up. Here we go with this machine. It's being slow right now. Can you see? It's still launching exercise 5. Okay, let's see what we have. Is it exactly what we want? Seems like I messed up somewhere somehow. It says 1, 3. Oh, it increments by 2, not 5. Oh, that was so stupid of me. I don't know if you guys noticed. Seems like our kilograms, they increment by 5 instead of 2. So I'm gonna have to solve that. Let's check out our... Oh, another thing is, seems like we messed up. We messed up on the number of kilograms. We can simply take care of that by changing from 5 to 2. And then it seems like we're not having this, that thing there, okay? So how am I gonna go about taking care of that? I'll simply go okay, so that is exactly what I would do. Backslash T, backslash digits, backslash C, backslash T, and then that sign, the one we just put, backslash T, and then decimal number, backslash T, and then finally that. Okay, let's check out our sample run. So it starts from 909 and then ends there. Oops, seems like I messed up. And that was so dumb of me. So we converting from pounds to kilograms. It seems like we made a mistake there too. Oops, 2 kilograms. Wait, 2 pounds variable, it's gonna be kilograms. Let me see. It's gonna be 2 kilograms times E. Oh gosh, it seems like I mixed up the 2. Instead of divide, I used the times. Instead of times, I used divide. Okay, that was the last mistake. I swear. Okay, let's see if that is exactly what we wanted. Oh, damn. Why do I keep making mistakes? You see, last time what I did is I incremented my kilograms variable by 5 instead of 2. And then I incremented my from pounds variable by 1 instead of 5. So no wonder we're having 2021 instead of 2025, 30, so on and so forth. These are the kind of mistake that all programmers make, to be honest, you guys. So you're gonna have to, that's why it is very important to check your cases. Suppose you are given an assignment or maybe an exercise, make sure that before you even submit your code, you check whether it works as expected. Seems like now we're having exactly what we wanted. I mean, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. And in case you've got questions, feel free to ask me. There are other questions that are more or less like this one. I'm hoping if you had a misunderstanding, you're gonna be cleared in a moment. That should be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'm gone. Cheers.